নবদ্বীপ ধাম মানেই মহাপ্রভু শ্রী চৈতন্যদেবের কথা মনে পড়ে যায়, কিন্তু তার মধ্যেই এখানে রয়েছে অনু মহাপ্রভুর আশ্রম এবং মন্দির, যেন এক টুকরো ছোট্ট মণিপুর নবদ্বীপের মধ্যে। আলাপ হয়েছিল ডায়না যে মণিপুরে নৃত্য করতে এখানে এসছে হরি উপলক্ষে। ডায়না আমাদের শোনালো দিবারাস কীভাবে হয়, কতটা পপুলার মণিপুরে, যে রাধার ভূমিকায় অভিনয় করেছিল এই দিবারাসে, রাসলীলা। শুনুন সেই কথা।
Holi means the Radha Krishna are playing at the holy time. That's why we have a play in the holy again. Popular. It's very popular because it's a traditional dance. I think it's like a traditional dance, and we also play the Krishna Radhas in the Govinda. We have a scone. We have a Konung Govindaji Sri Govindaji temple. Yeah? We have it. So we played it at the Govindaji temple, at the scone also. That's why it's very popular dance. My name is Zaina, and I'm from Wang Khai. My performance is yesterday, and I play the Rasa Lila. This Rasa is a very good idea dance. I think it's a over. I think over God, and I play the role of Mathang Chapi, then the Krishna, Radha, Makok Chapi, and I am the Mathang Chapi one. I think it's a good the Krishna, Radha, Makok Chapi, Mathang Chapi. First of all, the Makok Chapi, Makok Chapi is speaking sunflower. They like Chandon name speaking, and then she called me to out, and I came. So then the Krishna is again. I came and we have sort of dance, and the Krishna is coming out. Krishna said, "Lao lao brinde legi seja." Legi seja means the flower of a carpet, flower of a carpet like a. And same as is that when we plug a flower again and we make a seja, and then the Krishna said it. We have finished the legi seja, but Radha has not come yet. And Krishna for his Radha with his bashi, and Radha came out with the sword dance and came out and she played the sword dance. And after the sword dance, we pray it with Makok Chapi, Mathang Chapi, the gopi and the gopis, and the gopis and Makok Chapi and the Mathang Chapi. We have group dance, the duet dance. The duet dance. After the duet dance, Makok Chapi played play along with the sword time. And after the Makok Chapi and Mathang Chapi, I play the sweat. We have a very the problem is the Cookie and the Maitai. The Cookie said they want more land, they want separated. That's it. Cookie kill many Maitai people. We are not happy at all. Some people, many people are homeless.
Very less people here this year.
Very less
Why?
people because there are some
Why
very
less
the one. Less people means there are so
Problem,
many
they are
people
all-
are also homeless. They burn the Maitai house. This is
At
the relief
that's way.
that's so it. Many of the people live in a relief camp. That's why.